Naman dati fans ko. We have the Flower Festival. Oh, this place is botanical. At kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo ay sisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak ka. Saya lang mga bata rito. Huwag mahihiyang magtanong. May right ba nito? May right ba nito? May right ba nito? Pero okay tayo pa yamin dito ya, okay tayo pa. Isang palakpak naman dyan. This one they call man kay Gorotan ng Filipino freestyling. I'm like a Rasamana, I'm from a city of Baikula. Sama gamit sa love sa Philippine Island. Mapino sa bali yung gali Gorotan ala. Beautiful a lady, beautiful a sexy, beautiful a baby, a beautiful a sweetie. It is a wonderland. In another region, the people of a bag, you get flying on like a pigeon. Fresh air up to my head is no hesitation. Rasta living a cordillera, I live in the mountain city. Every minute, every day, I really love it Tuesday. I like beautiful races, beautiful places, beautiful pine trees, a beautiful every day. That's what.